Hi, my name is Eric John Campbell, and welcome to my eBay course. In this course, you're going to be learning a lot of really important things. You're going to learn how to create and link an eBay and PayPal account. Then you're going to learn how to gain credibility on the eBay marketplace, and this makes it much more likely that people will buy from you. After that, you're going to learn how to create listings that sell, and in other words, how to differentiate your listings from the other listings on eBay and get more sales. After that, you're going to learn what dropshipping is, and then the pros and cons of dropshipping, and where to find dropshippers. After that, you'll learn what wholesaling is, the pros and cons of wholesaling, and where to find profitable wholesalers. After that, we're going to go through how to find profitable products that you can sell on eBay and consistently make a lot of money. After that, we'll talk about the importance of making sure your customers are satisfied and the best ways to do that. And then we'll talk about how to ship cost effectively. And shipping cost effectively lowers your total cost, which in turn generates more profit for you. So it's a very important subject, and it's not that hard, and over time it'll save you a ton of money, which means you'll make a lot more. Then we're going to talk about the profit margin. So there's a lot of cost that we have to factor in when we're seeing how much money we're truly making when we sell an item on eBay. And finally, we'll make it to the conclusion. And there we'll recap everything you've learned, and finally I'll give you some tips and advice I've learned over the years. So let's get started.